Hi friends, I've brought in a video for you. This video is going to be on Coldrex tablets. Coldrex tablets contain paracetamol 325 milligrams, dextromethorphan 10 milligrams, and chlorpheniramine maleate 1 milligrams. It's made by Stand Farm Pharmaceuticals. The price for the box is 245 rupees. The box has 100 tablets in it. The usual dosage for Coldrex is 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours, maximum 8 tablets within 24 hours. And for children between 6 and 12 years of age, 1 tablet every 4 to 6 hours, maximum 4 tablets within 24 hours, or as directed by a physician. This medicine is used to relieve symptoms of allergy, hay fever, and the common cold. It can give a quick relief to nasal congestion. Its side effects are drowsiness, dizziness, headache, constipation, stomach upset, blurred vision, decreased coordination, or dried mouth, nose, throat may occur. These effects may decrease as your body adjusts to the medication. If any of these effects persist or worsen, contact your doctor or pharmacist promptly. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.